Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine and you will be doing great. In today's video, we will understand and memorize the dua before sleeping. When we sleep, we must recite this dua. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. I repeat, Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma means, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bismika, this word has three parts. Bi, ism, and ka. Bi mean in, with. O Allah, in. Ism mean name, and ka mean your. In your name, Allahumma bismika, O Allah, in your name or with your name, amutu, maut, death, I die. O Allah, in your name, I die. Wa mean end, ahya, I live. O Allah, in your name, I die and I live. This dua must be recited before we sleep. It means that we don't have the authority to live at our own, and we don't have the authority to die at our own. We only live with the name of Allah, and we only die with the name of Allah. When we recite this dua, we will be feeling more relaxed and fresh in the morning when we get up, because sleep is a half death. We must recite this dua before sleep. For more videos, subscribe to our channel KK English Grammar Series. Assalamu alaikum.